Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to class 7th standard. I hope you all are safe at your home and attending the online classes. Today I will start chapter 1 MS Excel. This is the logo of MS Excel. Clear? Then start introduction to MS Excel. What is MS Excel? Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheets. User can organize data, create charts, and perform calculation. User, it means you, either me, create a data, charts, and perform calculation in a spreadsheet. It is used in computer electronic spreadsheet. When you open a spreadsheet, then show the spreadsheet. First upon, I will discuss this spreadsheet. This is your title bar, this is your menu bar, and this is your standard toolbar. This is called cell address, and this is your formula address. This one A1, 2, 3, 4 is called row and A, B, C, D is called column. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4 is called row and A, B, C, D is called column. This is your cell. A1 is called cell. What is cell? The combination of row and column is called cell. If my cursor is F2, the cell address is F2. Enter number. When you enter the number, the spreadsheet display this type. Clear? If I want to see maths and column number B3, the cell address is B3. I will show the physics, then my cursor is C2. Clear? Formula in MS Excel 2010. Formulas are used to carry out calculations that involve basic arithmetic operations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division in MS Excel. Types of formula. There are two types of formula. First, simple formula, and then second, compound or complex formula. Let us talk about simple formula. Simple formula. Simple formula is an expression that is made of numbers, arithmetic operators, cell address, and parentheses. Components of a formula. Equal to. Simple formula always start with an equal sign. When you enter a formula, then first you start a equal sign. Second operator. Basic arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, division, and percent. Everybody knows this symbol? This is arithmetic operators. Cell reference. Cell address of the cell containing the value to be used in a formula. Parenthesis, round brackets. This is your round brackets is called parenthesis. Operators. This symbol and this symbol is called operators. You know, this symbol is known as operator. Next, cell reference. C1 to C4 is called cell reference. Equal to. When you start a formula, any formula, then start to equal. Parenthesis. This symbol is called parenthesis. AutoSum features in MS Excel 2010. The AutoSum feature in MS Excel 2010 is used to automatically add the values given in the selection cells. The AutoSum button is present at two places in MS Excel 2010. Using the AutoSum features, I have made AutoSum features details step by step for all of you. Students, please make a practice of Excel spreadsheet at home using this step. Number one, the step of calculate the total marks using the AutoSum features are as follows. Step 1, open a new worksheet in MS Excel 2010. Step 2, enter the data in the worksheet. Step 3, select the cell that contains marks in different subject, that is C2 till C6. Step 4, click on the AutoSum option in the editing group on the Home tab. Step 5, click on the Sum option in the drop-down menu of AutoSum option. Result will automatically appear in C7. If you enter marks C2 till C6, then use to AutoSum and run your appear the total marks automatically C7. Other AutoSum features. In addition to calculating sum, auto option can also be used to calculate average of a group of number, finding maximum or minimum number in a range, or can even be used to count number in a range. This is your AutoSum symbol. When you click the AutoSum number, then show the maximum, minimum, and sum. Some general program shortcut keys you do write in notebook and learn. Control plus N, create a new workbook. Control plus O, open existing workbook. Control plus S, save a workbook. F12, open the Save As dialog box. Control plus W, close a workbook. Control plus F4, close Excel. F4, repeat the last command or action. Shift plus F11, insert a new worksheet. Answer this question. Do you write in notebook? First, what is Excel? Second, define the term cell reference. Third, how many types of formula can be created in Excel? Name them. Fourth, what is the use of AutoSum? Do you write notebook? Have any problem? You discuss me. Thank you.